Managing a school or a business doesn't require thousands of dollars in heavy software fees every single month. Look at this admin panel. This is completely made through AppScript, which is free of cost totally. This is a fully dynamic, incredibly fast school management web app built entirely on Google Apps Script. No external hosting costs, no heavy database fees, and zero server maintenance. If you are running a school or an institute or a business and you are tired of paying for rigid software that doesn't fit your workflow, this video is for you. We solve this by building custom web applications tailored exactly to your business logic. Because it's powered by Google infrastructure, your data stays securely inside your own Google Drive, giving you absolute control. Let's take a quick look at how seamlessly the user experience is. As you can see, this is the dashboard. So everything you can see, like how many notices are there, images and files, like what are things you have uploaded here in your web app, it will be showing. So this is a notice board. And if you want to add anything, the notice board, you just have to write the title, date, category, like what announcements or any holidays. Then after the last date, or else if you want to upload anything PDF in a notice board, also you can upload and save notice. When you will click, it will show it. Just example, I'll click as holiday. Can select the date also. Category as holiday. This one we don't need it for right now. Save notice. The notice is saved right now. So we'll go to the setting. Like we have to see right the notice is visible or not. So click here the notice for link copy. Then after go to your web browser and paste it. Then after go to the image gallery. As you can see, already some images are there. And if you want to upload some images, just click here bulk upload and you can select many things. If I select this, that's not uploaded, right? So I'll go to the settings and click the image gallery link copy. As you can see, the image is there. Then after, if you go to the home cursor, like already there are some images in the home cursor. From here, you can upload in the bulk slides. Like if you go to settings, hit the home cursor copy, and let's check it. How does it look in the web? Wow, it looks good. Then after the syllabus, if you want to upload, just click the bulk upload syllabus, or else in the search syllabus also you can search anything. If there are so many syllabuses is there in your web app or you have uploaded it, you can search from here directly by going to the settings, go to the syllabus link to check how does it look. So yeah, it looks like this. You can search from here, or else you can search the classes, the subjects directly from here. Only the subjects are showing maths because only math subjects are there right now. And here the notes to upload, just click here, bulk upload notes. Or if you want to search anything, then you have to click here. And if you want to see how does it looking, just go to the settings, public links. As you can see, the study notes also there. If you click view notes, it will be notes are visible. And let's check the organization chart. Like if you want to add a organization chart of your own staff members of the school or a college or any organization. Just write the full name, their designation, their department, and reporting manager. Nothing needed right now. Email if you wanted to add, phone number, bio, and profile photo of this, and same number. Then it will appear like as you know in the settings you have to go the public embed links. You have to just click the copy. This depend upon what category you have added to them, and what tier level you have added. Here you can change the password and the email of your web app. The admin can. And if you want to log out, click here log out. Again, you will come to the login page. So whether you want to buy this Azure school management web app set up for your institution, or you need a custom built web application for a specific business workflow, we have got you covered. Like if you want to know like from where to get this, just go to any web browser, click Padhy, then go to site marketplace store. Here there are websites and school admin panel. Just go and click try demo. Also remember, like you can contact us through WhatsApp. Just click here, try demo. Here, click password admin, ADMI, sign in, and you can check it. How does it look? If you have any questions for us, you can WhatsApp us. Also, if you love the admin panel, you can go to the store and click buy now. Here you can do the payment by scanning. It is only available in India right now. Or else if you have a scanner payment option, then anywhere also you can do. You can take it. Have this admin panel. Just write your name, WhatsApp number, email address, transaction. It's right or it's not right, also it's okay. And after just you have to upload the proof, the payment, the screenshot of your payment, submit verification. And within 24 hours, we'll contact you. Like our team will contact you and will reach out to you. Within 24 hours, you will get your school admin panel ready. And just this example, if you want any customization, the charges will be different for that. So yeah, thank you for seeing this video. Just say likes or subscribe. And if you don't like, also dislike anything you wanted. And also tell me what improvements I can do in this video to help you out all, or anything else you needed, or any other information you needed regarding Google Apps Suite. Also, you can tell me in the comment section.